Hi, Lisa Lucky with RUSS, LYON, SOTHEBY'S International Realty here. It's a beautiful day in Scottsdale and we are at 26006 North 115th Place. First time on the market. This lot is phenomenal. Out in the front yard you're actually going to see the McDowells and Tom's Thumb up there. Look at this beautiful boulder in the front yard here. We've got smooth stucco in the front of the house. The house is 2248 square feet. It's a CYPRESS floor plan. We're in Four Peaks at Troon Village. Once we're going to jump and go to the back of the house and you're going to see Troon Mountain, you're going to see Pinnacle Peak, you're going to see all the way up to Desert Mountain. It is the most phenomenal lot. Come see. Okay, now we are at the back of the home at 26006 North 115th Place, and this is the most phenomenal view. You're going to see all the boulder outcroppings, all of Troon Mountain. Right behind me, that's Pinnacle Peak, and then it keeps going. All these other boulders, all the way down. It's listed at $725,000. The lot alone can be worth $725,000. So come take a look at this beautiful home on the exceptional lot. It's all about location, location, location.